Hi, it's Dr. Dan Rubin at Naturopathic Specialist, and I'm making this ad hoc video just because I'm completely inspired with some patient outcomes that we've had very recently, and of course in the past. But our EBOO machine that we've been using has just been doing wonders with our patients, especially with some odd and insidious physical conditions. So EBOO stands for extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation. What that means is we're very strategically and very much in a sterile fashion taking blood from your system, bringing it into our closed system and treating it with light, full spectrum LED lights, 4 UV lights, and we're ozonating and oxygenating it outside of your body, and then we're putting it right back in the body. Blood is getting treated up to 2 liters, and for some people that's half your blood volume in this type of treatment. And a lot of people with physical complaints and weird physical complaints that are oftentimes evading traditional medical diagnostics, meaning they're going to institutions and they simply can't diagnose these people. And they're just giving them generic treatments like steroids or anti-inflammatories, which decrease the quality of people's lives, can also put their bones at risk, could change their blood sugar values. These are the treatments that people are going on, and then when those stop working, even as they are, then they're being put on heavier dosages. And EBOO is a real solution to numbness or flow problems or stiff muscles or stiff joints, even from infectious causes or causes that are unknown. But we're seeing people who maybe have trigger finger that nothing could really touch, and all of a sudden in the middle of a treatment they're like, wow, my finger's better. Or people who have pain in their hands that the typical treatments aren't working for, and midway through the treatment or maybe at the end of a treatment or the next day, it's a wake up, feel like their old selves again. Numbness or tingling, or like I said, just some of these weird sort of diagnostics that sometimes require treatment because the diagnosis eluding people, and instead of these generic treatments, these ozone treatments are working. And again, this EBOO machine that we have, EBOO page on our website, is very different than your typical general IV ozone. Much higher dose, given at a much lower concentration. So the ability for the body to absorb and recognize and utilize the ozone and the oxygen goes up many-fold. It's really amazing. So if you have a condition like this, or you think you or a friend would benefit from a treatment like this, check us out on our website. We have a full page dedicated to EBOO. Contact us through a mail-in form through the website. Our URL is listenandcare.com, all written out, listenandcare.com, because that's every patient, every time. And our phone number is 480-990-1111. Give us a call.